Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll teach you how you can delete your Wix website. So whether you're on this site or if you're on this site, I'll teach you how you can delete your website. So if you're on this site and you want to delete the website that you see right here in your dashboard, so in this case I want to delete the website I see here, the How to Academic, simply click on the little three dots here that says Site Actions, click, and now click Move to Trash, and click on the red button that says Move to Trash. If you do regret it, you have 90 days to take it out of the trash and your website will be public again. Alternatively, if you are on this page and you have several websites, that you want to delete, or this isn't the right website you want to delete, simply click here. And now you can either see a pop down of several sites here. They will show underneath this one I only have one in this case. And you can simply choose the website you want to delete, or you can go to all sites here. And you'll land on this page I'm showing right here. If you want to delete a website from this page, simply click on the three dots again here for Site Actions and click Move to Trash at the very bottom. And now again, like before, click Move to Trash in the red button. And now it's in the trash. So we can now go to the trash can in case I want to take out the website and restore it. And now you click here again, click Restore Site, and click Restore the blue button. And now when I click Wix up in the top left corner, like this, the website is restored again. We can see I'm on the website again and I can start editing the website again. And that's how you can delete and restore a website on Wix.